Hi, sixth graders, or shall I say, hello, future seventh graders, because it is time to start thinking about next year's course selections. Today in homeroom, you will be getting your course selection sheet for seventh grade. It's a bright yellow sheet, looks like this. I'm not going to read it to you, but I did want to highlight a few things. The first thing I want to talk to you about is your language. On the front of the page, you'll see there is a blurb about Spanish and French. Now, in sixth grade, students are offered Spanish as a language, but in seventh grade, you have the opportunity to continue in Spanish, of course, or to take French. So the front page of the form does give a brief description of each course to help you make your decision. In addition, Madame Sperling, who teaches French at Polson and who also does our morning announcements, she's preparing something to share with your Spanish teachers so they can show you that in class, and that will also help you make a decision. Which language will you take next year? So that's the first thing you fill out on the very front of the form. The second page of the form is where you pick your electives. They're listed in a box at the top. We have more description later. And at the very bottom, really, really important, this is where you're going to pick your top 4 choices for electives. Now you might be thinking, 4? It is true in 7th grade, just like in 6th, you get 2 electives if they fit into your schedule. But we're not always able to give everyone their first 2 choices. So we need you to pick 4 elective options and put them in this little box and put them in order of preference. Your first choice, your second, your third, and your fourth. We do try to give everyone their first 2 choices, but when we can't do that, we'll at least have a third and a fourth choice for you. So that's where you put your choices there. That's also where the parent signs, and this form comes back to your homeroom teacher 1 week from today, Friday, February 12th. Mark it on your calendars. The last page of the form really gives an overview of the many electives that we have, so read them carefully. You might want to pay special attention to the band and the jazz band because I think they have some prerequisites, so read everything carefully before you decide. Also note that Healthy Living and Tech Explorations are open to people who didn't take it this year. For space requirements, we ask if you did take Healthy Living or Tech Explorations this year to choose other electives for next year so everyone can try those courses. If you have any questions, certainly go to your homeroom teacher, or you can stop and see Ms. Doan in guidance, or pop into Mrs. Hart's office or mine. We're happy to help. I think that's it for now, except for the test. When is the form due back? Anyone? Anyone? Yes, 1 week from today, Friday, February 12th, the form is due back. So I hope that you have fun thinking about next year, and I hope that you are as excited as we are to see you in 7th grade.